Welcome to my channel, where today we're taking a closer look at the World Pride Rolling Salon Trolley Cart. This 3-tier trolley cart isn't just your average storage solution, it's a blend of style, functionality, and durability. Crafted from high-quality iron and plastic materials, this cart is built to last, ensuring it's sturdy and reliable for both personal and professional use. One of the standout features of this cart is its sleek and fashionable design. With a white color scheme and elegant U-shaped handrail design, it seamlessly integrates into any room decor while adding a touch of charm to the space. The thoughtful handrail design isn't just for aesthetics, it's also practical, preventing any accidental bumps and ensuring a hassle-free user experience. Measuring at 23.23 inches in diameter, 29.53 inches in width, and 12.6 inches in height, this cart offers ample storage space across its 3 shelves. Whether you're looking to tidy up your kitchen, bedroom, laundry room, or even a beauty salon or spa, this cart has got you covered. It's versatile enough to store household essentials or professional tools, catering to various needs with ease. Assembly is a breeze with this trolley cart, and once put together, it proves to be a reliable companion for keeping your space organized and clutter-free. Whether you're storing toiletries, beauty products, kitchen essentials, or anything in between, this cart offers the perfect solution. In conclusion, the World Pride Rolling Salon Trolley Cart is a must-have for anyone looking to add functionality and style to their space. With its sturdy construction, thoughtful design, and ample storage space, it's a versatile addition to any home or professional setting. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organized elegance with this fantastic trolley cart. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.